just started the scavenger hunt. Dude, holy crap, I'm having deja vu. I don't know. 8 chandeliers.
Are you looking out there?
We got the first one right.
We have to go to the Dallas Morning News.
Right here.
Oh,
cool.
Let's do this.
Find the large GB Deli quote carved into the front of the building. Solve the following cipher. When the first number represents the line of the quote, the second number represents the word in the line, and the third number represents the letter in the word. We have these numbers. Solve the cipher to identify the name of your next urban location. Type in your one-word answer and click submit.
So this thing moves on its own, which is pretty sweet. As you can see, the lines in the sand. I don't know how it works, but
Pioneer Plaza. Pioneer Plaza.
And then Plaza. Oh, I like the flower. Looking for a map that's in the ground.
Yeah, this stuff is steel.
Is it?
Yeah, this stuff is like hot. It gets hot when the sun shines on it.
My whole class came up here.
The map might be over there.
I don't know, but I want
He's being in front.
Who knows?
Y'all go up there. I'm gonna run over here.
It's gotta be in like an open spot. That booty push. I'll watch.
This is good. I don't see a map. Hello, dude. Hello. Just hanging out. We don't see a map. This is a very inappropriate photo, I feel like. Okay, y'all gotta help me get down. Please don't let me fall. It's a lot higher than I thought.
Will she fall? Join in next time.
Who's the real quest master?
Haley is. So apparently we walked over it, but because we didn't know what we were looking
You
for.
know what we were looking for? We were looking at butt ducks.
Butt ducks. I didn't know what we were looking for until we were like over there. Oh yeah, little chickadees. Are we right? Great.
That was a hard one. Refer to this picture below and your position yourself. Photographers.
It's gonna be like back over there probably.
It's a Jonah question. Where was the photographer standing? You tell me.
Dang, like probably the whole corner over there. Alright, so we're kind of in the spot.
What's missing? Is the clock tower? Is that? No, it's there.
So what's the next question though?
Oh, it's the other pole, the other flagpole. Isn't the other flagpole? There's 3. There's only 2 there.
Y'all want to join? Got it.
Cool. Sweet. Easy peasy. Dude, can we swim in here? It kind of does. I mean, that's what I'm saying. Like, you could get in this.
I said I think you should go down.
And she stepped in the water and got her butt all wet.
Hey, don't get your phone wet.
Oh, she's going.
I hope we don't get arrested.
She's committed.
This is great. All those people are looking.
What is she doing? What if she sat in there?
She should get in there.
Sit in the red ball.
She should have left her phone here.
She should have.
Oh great, we're not gonna be able to get in the car.
Yeah. All right, she made it back,
Safe and
but that
sound.
guy was yelling over there, so we're gonna try to get out of here before the cops come.
There's no evidence or anything.
No. I mean, she's not wet at all.
Yeah.
So we're supposed to find 4 animals. There's an eagle, lion, cows at the very, very top, and then there's a rooster by the woman's face.
That's great.
Sweet. Why are we touching this?
Because it's fun. Chancer.
My hand can't angle that way. That was like a good bad smell. I was like, one smell. It was kind of good, then it go bad.
Poop and cinnamon.
They are counting the faces of this painting. Awesome. There's a shooter up
I
there.
think we need to go down to the grassy knoll here.
The grassy knoll, baby.
I'll clap this as well.
There was more than one shooter. Yeah, the X right there, that's where we got shot. Yeah. So we finally completed it, and it was
We
okay.
didn't lose. I mean, we didn't win.
And then kind of going the
And we got
wrong
We
lost.
went the
direction.
wrong way.
It's okay.
We
What?
came in 11th place.
Woo!
Not top 10, so. Oh, Jesus. I thought you were a homeless person asking me for money.
Right here in the car?
Yes. I thought he stuck his hand through the window, and I was about to have to fight.
Okay, what place were we?
What? Did you change
We're doing a
shorts?
scavenger.
These are my mom's, yeah. I'm wearing women's shorts. Check out my butt. You like my butt?
It's a poochin'.
Yeah, I gotta pull my underwear up.
So how do you feel wearing your
Oh.
mother's shorts?
I feel confident, womanly, a little bit metro.
You look like it.
Is this like a
You
the
look-
hipster look?
I think this is the new
This
hipster
is
look,
the
yeah.
hipster look with Bill's shoes.
Oh, yeah.
With the hairy legs. He
Dad's
looks,
shoes, mom's pants, my
yeah.
own shirt,
Silk
obviously.
ties.
Yeah, and the aviators.
And, free shades, obviously.
The only thing, you should have had Ray-Bans. You didn't complete it. Like colored
Yeah,
Ray-Bans.
like cheap clothes and then expensive sunglasses.
Yeah.
That's the hipster look.
Okay.
And like a handbag.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah, there you go. There's the handbag. There you
I
go.
look adorable.
He's the hipster now. There you go.